this angle right here appears to be the 90-degree angle. Does everybody see that that one appears? If you don't know who it is, then just look for the angle that looks like an L, and it's the side opposite. So this guy here, if that was a right triangle, this guy here would be the hypotenuse. So this would be the c squared, would be 13 squared. And the other two would be the a squared plus b squared. Okay? So we would have 3 root 17 squared plus 2 squared. Okay? When you have a 3 and a root 17, then both of those has to be in the parentheses. When you do the 3 root 17 squared plus 2 squared, you should get 153. Oh, plus 4, which is 157. When I do 13 squared, it's 169. So if a squared plus b squared equals c squared, that triangle is a right triangle. Are they equal? If a squared plus b squared is less than c squared, then it is obtuse. And if a squared plus b squared is greater than c squared, it's acute. So which one is it? So on the first 6, you're going to write yes or no. Is it right? Is it not right? And that's not right because they're not equal to each other. Now, when you do a squared plus b squared, you do 11 squared plus 12 squared, and that is 265. And when you do c squared, it's the square root of 270 squared. The root and the square undo each other. The answer is 270. Make sure you get those two numbers on your... So if the c squared is bigger, that means it's a fat angle. He had to be really big to close that gap, right? So this guy is obtuse.